Hey, so I posted up a video of Robert Kibbe's white Chevelle making a run at the Good Guys. I believe that was the Des Moines for 2020 event. So as I posted that, I realized I hadn't put any kind of information with it. So I built that car in 2013. While it went to SEMA in 2013, the car was really finished up in 2014. So that car is a 1964 Chevelle, and it's owned by Robert Kibbe. It was in his family since brand new. And I'm going to post a bunch of pictures here of some of the build and some of the finished product, and then I'll finish it out with that 40-second video again of the car running. But I just want to give you guys a little history. So Robert Kibbe is the owner of the car. He also owns the Muscle Car Place. For those of you who haven't been over there, go check out the Muscle Car Place. It's a podcast, and it's all about industry news and industry events. It also has some really good interviews every week, and he's interviewed just about everybody around the industry, and amazes me when he finds more and more people. And it's always about the story, not about particularly about a particular car or something like that. It's about the story behind the car and how cars, for those of us that are enjoying most of this, cars are kind of part of our family. And so Robert shares a lot of that with you and his own personal experiences in different cars. And there's well over 400 episodes. In fact, I was very blessed with the opportunity to be his 400th episode interviewee. So I was on there for that one, and that was early in 2020. Additionally, I've done some others when we were building his car. So I built his car, like I said, started about I'm kind of pulling dates out of my head here, but starting around 2011, we finished the car up in 2014, and he took it home, and he beats the heck out of it and drives it regularly, and it's still a very, very show-worthy car to this day, even as hard as he drives it when he gets the chance. So check out the rest of the pictures, and go check out Robert over at the Muscle Car Place podcast. And then we'll see y'all again next week with another video, and that one will be on the Scout. So have a great day.